Hey friends, everybody loves a McDonald's McRib sandwich, right? Well, to hell with the ones that don't. But for those that do, you know the great thing about these is they're good. And the not great thing about these is that they're only available from McDonald's a couple of months a year. I'm not going to let McDonald's dictate when I can have one of these. Neither should you, and you won't have to anymore, because I'm going to give you a recipe that works. I'm going to show you how you can make your own McRib sandwich in 6 minutes, and I'm going to show you how to do it on a budget. So let's get to it. All right, the great thing about this 6-minute meal is 5.5 minutes of it is spent in the microwave, so it really doesn't take you very much time or work at all. So let's go over it. The first thing you're going to need is bread. Now, you can buy some kind of nice little rolls, you know, with sesame seeds and stuff on them, but kind of blows the budget if you're buying a $9 pack of rolls to make one McRib sandwich. So you can use bread. Mayonnaise is optional. You're going to need some chopped onions, and you're going to need some pickles. Now, here's the real secret. You're going to need one of these. This Banquet backyard barbecue meal. That's what it's called, backyard barbecue meal. See, it's a rib patty. It's a fake McRib patty, just like McDonald's uses in their McRib. You don't think there's anything real in that stuff, do you? And as a bonus with this, you'll end up with some mashed potatoes. They're kind of okay. Throw the corn away. That crap's not even edible. But you're going to be close to making one of these with this. Pull it out. You nuke it for 3 minutes. Poke a hole over each part first. You take it out, you stir the potatoes, put the cover back on, nuke it for about 2.5 more minutes. Now you may be thinking, Kevin, man, I'd love to do this, but I don't have a microwave to be able to do it. Well, I understand that, man. Times are tough for a lot of people, but let me tell you what you can do. You can take the ingredients out of this and you can put it in a skillet and you can heat it up over a fire. You know, I get it. Times are tough and not everybody has a microwave, and there's people that are out on the road, and, you know, there's people that are living in a van down by the river. I don't judge. I was like that too, and I know it happens for different reasons. It happens, you know, sometimes through no fault of their own, through job loss. You know, the wife comes home, catches you with the sister, or stupid, and boom, you're out of the house and you're living in your van now, and you don't have a microwave. Life doesn't get any better than this. Oh, man. Now all we have to do is add our onions, and look at this. This is the real thing, folks, not those fake photographs they show you in those television commercials. Let's check it out. Are you excited? I'm excited. That's the best thing I've eaten in at least the last 2 hours. Oh, man. And even that couple of months a year that McDonald's actually offers these McRib sandwich thingies, do you know what they cost? They're like close to $4 each. I've just shown you how to do that for $1.20. That's like 1/10 as much. Okay, maybe not 1/10. I'm not good at math, but 1/3 as much. So just think you could have like 3 of these my way versus 1 from them. Or imagine, this is even better. Imagine if you ate one of these every single day for a year. You'd be saving like $2.50 every single day. That's like a lot of money. Now imagine even more if you subscribed and followed tips like this from me every single day, how much money you could save. You probably save so much money you'd never have to work again. If you found this video useful, hit the subscribe button. I don't know why, but everybody says it. Something about clicking some thumbs up and clicking a bell. I don't even know where the hell a bell is on a YouTube, but do it because they tell you to. McDonald's McRib on a budget. Anybody can do this.